Your Singapore trip won't be complete without visiting the iconic Merlion Park. But the question is, what's the best time to visit? Day or night? Kasi let's be real, if first time mo dito, sayang naman di ba if hindi mo matatime yung best experience? So in this vlog, samahan mo ako sa isang relaxing walk along Singapore River and let's find out kung kailan mas sulit pumunta dito. Hi guys! Another day, another fun adventures. If it's your first time traveling to Singapore or nagsisave ka talaga for this trip and you're looking for a free and solid places to visit, this video is for you. Because honestly, you don't need to spend a lot of money para ma-enjoy ito. So today, nag-start ako sa Raffles Place MRT Station Exit G. Super easy lang puntahan ito guys. Promise hindi ka maliligaw. Then, naglakad ako papunta sa UOB Plaza. Grabe, sobrang relaxing dito guys. Alam mo yung feeling na pagod ka sa work or parang gusto mo lang mag-break kahit saglit? Ganun yung feeling ko habang naglalakad dito. Walang rush, walang pressure. Ikaw lang yung view and the moment. Hindi ko in-expect na may enjoy ko yung ganitong simple moments. Just walking, appreciating everything around me. And honestly, ito yung moments na hindi mo kailangang gumastos pero sobrang worth it. The Singapore River is actually one of the most important parts of Singapore's history. Dati, sobrang busy nitong trading area. And now, it's a clean and beautiful place for walking and relaxing. If you ask me what's the best time to visit, I recommend late afternoon hanggang night. Hindi na mainit. And the lighting is just perfect. As you walk along the river, madadaanan mo yung mga iconic spot like the Fullerton Hotel. Dati itong General Post Office before naging hotel. And makikita mo rin dito yung Cavenue Bridge. This is one of the oldest bridges dito sa Singapore. And right here is the Victoria Theatre. Medyo underrated spot, but perfect for photos and chill walk. What I love here is the mix of old and modern Singapore. Parang history meets present. So now, we're heading to the Merlion Park. And this is Anderson Bridge. Sobrang ganda maglakad dito guys, even if solo ka lang. Safe, relaxing, at saka hindi ka maliligaw. Sa dulo ng bridge, magte-turn left ka papunta sa Merlion Park. Time check, it's 7:15 na in the evening pero ang liwanag pa din. This is one of the must visit places dito sa Singapore. And the best part, free lang siya. So, kung nagba-budget ka or gusto mong makatipid, this is something na hindi mo dapat i-skip. Pero heads up lang, if may events, expect na medyo maraming tao, especially during peak hours. This is Merlion Park during the day. And this is how it looks at night. Personally, mas gusto ko yung night view. Mas relaxing, mas aesthetic, and feeling ko, dito mo talaga ma-appreciate ang ganda ng Singapore. So, if pipili ka, I recommend going here late afternoon hanggang night. At syempre, once you're here, don't forget yung iconic pose dito sa Merlion Park. And if nagugutom kayo, don't worry kasi maraming restaurant and fast food around the Merlion Park. After that, pumunta ako dito sa Esplanade and Jubilee Bridge. If you're looking for a chill place, this is one of the best spots. Pwede ka ditong mag-walk, mag-bike, or just sit and enjoy the beautiful view. Perfect dito mag-unwind after your long day. Singapore's weather is usually hot and humid. So if you're planning to do this relaxing walk, especially during the daytime, based on my experience, here are a few things I wish I know earlier. Always stay hydrated. Wear comfortable shoes. Bring an umbrella or apply sunscreen. A portable fan really helps. And of course, don't forget your camera. And if you want to see the Disney fireworks experience here at Marina Bay, share the full vlog on my channel. It's super worth watching. So there you have it guys. I hope this video helps you to plan your Singapore trip. And always remember to travel smart, enjoy and share the joy. See you on the next adventures. Bye!